During the implant placement process, due to bone morphology, one of the implants can be buccally inclined. This is an issue for the final zirconia restoration, as it will not be aesthetically correct to make a screw channel in this manner. To bypass this problem, a 3mm sleeve changed to 1.5mm sleeve to act as a stopper, and the screw channel was eliminated. The V-type multi-units that were used in this case have a small cone and a large flat surface to enable maximal connection surface between the sleeve and the multi-unit. Main vertical forces distributed on this connection. Angulated multi-unit will not fit because it will have a buccal bulge and will be visible. The options were either to remove and replace the implant, which is a long process with a complex restoration or is not possible due to bone structure, or to bury the implant and not use it at all. A combination of V-type multi-units with the 1.5mm sleeve is a third smart option that is available now.
XGATE Dental. Digital solutions on multi-units. No return visits.